Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the unboxing and a quick feature overview of one of the MagSafe chargers for the Apple iPhones, the 12 series basically, because that's the one that is coming with the magnetic coil apart from the wireless charging. The wireless charging is not something new for Apple iPhones, but the magnetic coil that keeps the charger in place is something that we're looking at that is new here. And this is from the brand called Raegr, and they have a huge number of chargers for this specific feature, and this one is the M920 model. And the major specifications that are given here include the output of 15 watt and 10 watt, 7.5 watt and 5 watt, and the input is 5V2A, that's 10, and 9V2A and 12V 1.5A. So these are the standard features, while it says that if you actually connect it to a 20 watt adapter, then the best of the functionality would be offered. So basically you won't get the charger along with it obviously, and you'll have to separately buy the 20 watt adapter, but it doesn't mean it won't work with any other adapters. It will work, but the 20 watt adapter is what is going to give you the PD adapter, what we call it, the power delivery adapter. That is what is going to give this charger the best of the functionality. And you have the 1 year plus 6 months warranty along with this charger inside the box. And now this is the charger. It has a weight of 70 grams. This entire set has a weight of 70 grams, and it works, as I said, with the 20 watt adapter. But let's try it out with the power bank itself. This is the Xiaomi's power bank, and just to show you a quick demo that the wireless charging works everywhere, we'll actually have to turn on the wireless charging here, and with the press of a button, if I do that, it actually starts charging here. As you can see, this is the iPhone 12 Pro, and it is charging with that charger. That's the power bank. And now we'll try the same with this one. So this is the magnetic area with the Raegr logo on the back. This is the actual point where you'll have to place your iPhone. As soon as you place it, the main thing is that it won't have that strong of a sense of holding it if you have a case here. So it's not that easily placed. I mean, it's easy to pull it off. You can see that it's very easy to lift it and pull it off. But if we actually have it without the case, then it would be stronger. So let me give you the demo of that as well. So now this is the iPhone without the case, and now it actually holds it very tightly. So you can see now it's actually very hard, and that's how the charger would be placed here. But obviously that is a trade-off between having a case or not. So I would prefer still having a case to protect the back of this phone, which actually is going to cost me more if I drop the phone. So that's okay, I don't have to have it so hard. But otherwise, if you want to place it this way, it would actually go and hold itself pretty well whenever I'm trying to charge the iPhone. Now let me keep it in one place and try to connect it with the power bank here to give you the demo of the charging. So here, just to give you the quick indication that it does not work with the power bank output, and so I'm connecting it with my MacBook Pro, which has a pretty good 20 watt output, I guess. So let me connect it and it should start charging the iPhone. So yes, it is charging the iPhone, and that's how it works. As soon as you lift it up, it would turn off the charging. As soon as you place it back, it should charge start charging there. So this is one of the alternatives to the actual Apple's official MagSafe adapter, because the MagSafe one is priced at 4,500, and obviously it's not that easy to shell out that amount of money for a wireless charger. So you can go with one of these options. This one is priced at 1799. There are multiple options with multiple outputs and different designs. Some are squarish, some are round, and this one actually is one of the best replacements that I could find from the brand, because it comes with not a lot of weight, it doesn't carry a lot of weight, and has an output of almost 15 watt. So 15 watt output is not bad at all to charge your iPhone. So iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, it works with them. And even with the previous iPhones which have wireless charging, it should work with them, but it won't hold the phone this way. So it won't hold the back because of the absence of the magnetic coil on the previous iPhones. So that's it guys, this was all about the MagSafe adapter, that is the Raegr MagFix Arc M920. I hope you like this video. If you want to know the price and the description about this one, you can check out the description of the video to find out more. And I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.